Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how woodworkers are making thousands showcasing or kickstarting their woodworking projects on Kickstarter. I'll explain to you what Kickstarter is, how it works, and then showcase some of these woodworkers and some of the items that they've been most successful with.
Kickstarter is an online crowdfunding platform where people create projects and solicit backers to back their projects financially. It has nearly every category you can think of, including woodworking. And as you can see, the woodworking projects on here vary greatly. And as I'm looking at this, most of these projects have been not only fully funded, but overly funded. This one here is over 4,000%. Kickstarter will, of course, take their cut, which is 5% plus a payment processing fee. Here's an example of a project. After you've created your project or prototype, you will put up what is essentially an elaborate sales pitch about why people should back your project. You'll talk about the project, what makes it special, why you made the project. This, of course, is a cat house, so she's talking about her cats. And then you will list ways people can back you. You can have, for the philanthropic people that don't really want anything, you can do a $1 pledge. Here for $10, you get a postcard from the cat. You get a plush bed for $90, and at $180, you get the actual project she's kickstarting. For $216, you get the bed and the house. And for $5,000, you get a private tour of the home and go out to dinner at the cat's favorite restaurant. No backers there so far, but that's interesting. You will set a pledge goal. She did 5,000, and then of course a timeline, which here I've seen mostly is between 30 and 40 days is what I've seen. Now let me show you the variety of different woodworking projects that have been successfully crowdfunded on Kickstarter. Here's a magnetic key rack, $16,000. I know there's going to be some chatter about the different dates. I'm just trying to illustrate here the different variety of projects, and then towards the end I'll get to the more recent projects that have been backed. Storage box for holding your essential oils. I remember when this came out, it seemed like there was dozens of people making them. I don't know if this was the actual creator or not, but this is the fold down shelf that can hold a firearm or supplies or whatnot. $86,000. A bourbon barrel bottle opener, $5,000, just a piece from a bourbon barrel and a bottle opener with a magnet. A beer pong table. It's a fold-up beer pong table, pretty neat. $8,000. And one of the most interesting categories, which I think is the most successful, is not in the woodworking area, but in the game area. Dice boxes are incredibly popular. Now they get really intricate, but they've had some incredible success here on Kickstarter. Look at this right here. This group called the Elderwood, life-changing, what I would consider, I think most of us would, life-changing sales in 30 days, $281,000. It's made out of wood and, of course, I think leather and some metal, but it holds dice, stuff for like Dungeons and Dragons if you're familiar. This group also created this in 2018 for $108,000, a key ring that holds dice. Incredible. And in 2021, they created another small wooden book, $206,000. Amazing. It seems like every year these guys come out with a different dice box and are just incredibly successful with it. Here's another dice box. Last year, $8,000. Almost $8,000 in 2023. Here's another guy that did this creator right here. And then in 2024, he created another dice box for $10,000 backed. Now, some of this is, caveat here, some of this is probably done with the CNC or some incredible router templates, if you will. So I know that's not going to be for everybody. But What I wanted to show you was just the variety of different options and things that you can make on here and be successful because people are doing it. And as I've shown you, some of them just literally life-changing money.
Now, I know Kickstarter won't be for everybody, but hopefully I've shown you that it's a unique platform where it's possible to make some side hustle cash, or like some of those guys, maybe even some life-changing money. So as always, if you've benefited or enjoyed this content, please like and subscribe and help me grow this channel. And I'll see you on the next one.